I have the CMF by Nothing Watch Pro 2, and let's do the unboxing and see what comes packed inside this box. So this is what the box looks like. I have the gray version of this watch. At the bottom it says Nothing R, and then you have your stickers, your IMEI numbers there, and you can see this watch. I expect it to have a gray band and of course the gray ring on top. So let's check what's inside the box. Oh, that was an upside down unboxing. So that's where the watch goes. And like I said, it's gray or silver, depending on what you want to call it. Let's see what else comes in the box. Should have some paperwork and a charger. The charger is black for some reason, and that's what the charger looks like, with a full-size USB connector on one end, and on the other end we have the magnetic pins that go to the bottom of the watch, if I could assume. So we just get rid of all this stuff, and there's a first look at the watch. Okay, so that's the unboxing experience. This is really nothing else that comes in the box. There's your paperwork. That's all. Thank you for watching and good luck.